In this video, I'll discuss the access, distribution, or reuse considerations of an NIH data management and sharing plan. This section of your plan will describe any factors affecting subsequent access, distribution, or reuse of your data, and how those factors will be managed. This section of the DMSP is especially important for managing and sharing data from human participants. To complete this part of your plan, you should consider the following: informed consent, privacy and confidentiality protections, whether access to scientific data derived from humans will be controlled, any restrictions imposed by federal, tribal, or state laws, regulations, or policies, or existing or anticipated agreements, and any other considerations that may limit the extent of data sharing. For example, in some cases, access to scientific data must be controlled. In your plan, you will need to describe why this is the case and how it will be managed, such as through a controlled access repository after the necessary approvals and agreements have been completed. On the other hand, you may choose to use a generalist data repository, which provides a more general-purpose platform for storing and sharing research data across multiple academic disciplines, and they may lack controlled access to datasets. These repositories may be maintained by academic institutions or scientific organizations, and they typically accept a wide range of data types and formats. Examples include Zenodo, Dryad, and Figshare, to name just a few. If your data will be housed with OHSU and only made available through controls such as IRB approval and data use agreements, consider using the OHSU Research Data Catalog. Unlike a data repository, the OHSU Research Data Catalog stores only the information about the data rather than the data itself. Researchers frequently utilize these metadata-only catalogs as discovery platforms to find and locate pertinent material. The OHSU Research Data Catalog is designed to increase the visibility of sensitive research data generated by OHSU researchers, to describe the controlled access requirements associated with sensitive datasets, to support compliance with the NIH data management and sharing policy and other funders' requirements, and to facilitate collaboration. Please note the OHSU Research Data Catalog is not an appropriate tool for promoting the discovery of research data that can be shared without restriction or via an external restricted use repository such as a database of genotypes and phenotypes, or dbGaP. For more information about the OHSU Data Catalog, please get in touch with the OHSU Library. In the meantime, the NIH Scientific Data Sharing website includes information on good practices and important considerations for protecting participant privacy when sharing scientific data. For example, you can find information on obtaining informed consent, designating data for controlled access, and specific considerations for working with American Indian and Alaska Native communities. We recommend reviewing this information before completing this section of your plan. For quality examples of this element and others, see the link provided in the description of the video for sample DMS plans offered by the NIH. Overall, the access, distribution, or reuse elements of a data management and sharing plan are critical for ensuring that data is made available to others while also protecting the privacy, confidentiality, and legal rights of the data providers and subjects. I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to visit any of our data management LibGuides or our video tutorials collection for more detailed information. You may also contact the OHSU Library Service Desk or make an appointment with a librarian.